Let me get him back on the live. On the line. Time just. I never want to talk to him off on no live. Mr. Mary stay right there, so I'm saying now why you do nothing see me, I'm having people in my work. Remember say me send Mr. Mary down there and you say you know want Mr. Mary do it. Now that you just say, hold on, me dep on the live and me want you talk. Hold on, Bali, me never know that. Me send Mr. Mary because me want to see the work done. Me have you on the live now because I want you talk to me on the live. Talk to the people them. Where you say make them the house, you're their country and what where you say where you say they are public when you know don't have public. Talk to the people them.
Yeah, me they are manifest and
what did you did admit?
Yeah, 2 days at least. 2 days, 1 day.
1 day?
Yeah, I go down there and come back next year.
Alright, and the whole week that week every day them say you're in a hospital. Alright.
No, because think me in hospital. My doctor don't think me in hospital.
People can find me know say you're in a hospital. Anyway, my on the live I'm cut up and you know say me cut up from last night. When you tell the people them what go on with your house, what you do, what you say you do with mother and stuff. For them say me I tell lie for you.
My mother has pressure, she has sugar, she has arthritis, and she's sick with her eye. And she have no helper, me alone have to help her. Right now she will go back to the doctor. I give her some money to go to the doctor and she still go back again because I must have to scrape her eye. I mean, don't say I must have to get her eye glass and that's going to cost me a little thing again. See me? And my daughter graduate. My 2 daughters them get hurt, them now have nothing to go to work. My bile clothes give them to go to work. I want them get them to work because them say they want help me. So I try to help them for them help me. And me now, the hospital, I have to send them much money. With you.
You tell me say you send me $20,000.
Yeah. I still have to go back down to them, so I still have to come back. When the pill I have when them done, I have to go back. And 10 pills I have to take every morning. And 2 in the 1 in the midday, 1 in the evening.
Alright. When me just
sign out, hold on, them said me never know so me have sign up, because they said drain down for me in my chest. And it make the asthma to me so. Yeah.
when me just video your Bali. How much money me left you with?
400.
Alright. Me said to you, though you said to me say you can't go spend your money because of you I build your house?
Yeah.
Alright. The day after me video, the day when me video, when me see you pass with by your head.
A toilet bowl.
Alright. And what me said to you?
A toilet bowl, electrical pipe, electrical fitting.
No, me never see that. Me see you with one toilet bowl and me say, Bali, me glad you start by this something. Because me even go up on the live and me talk. The nether...
electrical fitting.
Alright, 2 days after, nether day after, me say, Bali, come with me go over the audio. You say, what you say to me?
You say the back hurt me?
Yes. Alright, the nether day after, me say, Bali, me want the house done before the program end. Make me go over the audio. What you say to me? You say me I rush you too much, you soon come.
Yeah.
The nether day after me see you come from town and market and bad pan all kind of fun and sit. Me see you buy out the whole of town, me not talk it pan the live, my blood a grow. Me say Bali, when you go make me and you go deal with it, you say you soon deal with it. The nether day after that remember from last week or week before last, me see you and me say to you say, Bali, don't bring down disgrace upon me. I want you finish up the house. What you say to me?
I will finish it.
Alright. Me no see you again. I go down, they go call you in the night, your daughter, them say you know in there. Early morning, me get up out of my bed in a 6 o'clock, I beat down your door. Your daughter, them say you know in there. You know there. Me see you the nether there, you come by here, so come hold up your back, say your back hurt you. When me say to you, when you say to me and I get ignorant. Yeah. And me say, oh, have you get the money, every sickness I come down for you? Me never say a lie. Me I tell you, me I talk now on the live when me there.
Yeah, me not say a lie.
Alright. Me say, have you get the money? Alright. The nether day after that, me see you again, you and them a come with all kind of sitting and go down, bag of rice, bag of this or half bag of that. Me say, Bali, where the house, you say, me say stop rush you soon deal with it, right? Me no see you back again. Me ask for you, me see you don't have public admit. Every four, all of your daughter, then me ask the big one, the adult one, and the four, the last one, me say I want for a Jake's one. Day before you see that, me say, how your father? Him down the same way, you know. Me say, we go look for him. Yes, we go look for him. And him down a public. Bap, me I say, Jesus have mercy, Bali Bali, really serious. Because Bali Bali down a hospital all long lock up. Bap. Me day and night yesterday even though me I go know you know down at no hospital. One of your donor them will send money for you. She called me and she said, Mr. Anna, Bali Bali start work on the house yet. Me said, no ma'am, Bali Bali admit down a public ma'am. Because me even ask Chef Kaya, Chef a cousin. And Chef said she don't know because she don't see you for truth. So might be you down there. Bap, the woman said, look here. What fit your phone, make me show you something, because I not send it to you if you go post it in a. See, Bali Bali, I don't a country quite alright. But me call you, what me call you with? No cousin. Say, why you lie to me and you know? Bali Bali, you and me know, say, you never come beg me no house. I have to take every advantage for that. When you get the money up a still only, what I said to you for use your money and do? I said, put it to use, because you don't live nowhere. Because I say, Bali Bali, like you don't live nowhere and I tat up, because I can't then go show them. I say, put your money to use. See something, because see I get it for money and people like you, and I send it for money, come give you. Put it to use. Bap, you never put it to use. One, me go down your yard, go video one, never will heap of money again when they put them in the house. One lady says she want to plant a seed, they say, tell you, say, for build a house. And I say, Bali Bali, I go make them for money and people are give to you freely. In your honor, you know, put it to a house. And you say, alright. Bap, me say, me that love to see you build up. I look at two. How much room me tell you for build? Alright. Me say, them money, because you a builder. All you have to do, even Miss Andrea said to you, she will come give you 3 days. She will come help because Miss Andrea said, Dana, when me look over Bali Bali and the 5 girls picking them and live, that is not a house. So, she will come help you freely. Bap, me tell you, say, go over Rushmore and make a tab over there, and you start work, and you start. But every time you work for your house, you left it. Me say, Bali Bali, when you go work around the people, them are donate more than that to you penetrate for your house. Remember, you know, me a fear cost you in a Bali Bali for build for your house where you and your people them are going to live in. Bap. Oh, me I got feel last night now when me here say you're not in the hospital. And daughter tell me say she have 100 me never, how much me never remember from me say me not even talk, I me no want to tell no lie. And you are going to tell when me call you know. Me send Mr. Mary now for say Bali Bali a ramp, then go down there, make Mr. Merritt look on the wiring and do the wiring, because Bali Bali now do nothing for me give him the money. You are going to tell me, say, boy, me use much money for because mother sick and this. And, you don't must expect me to go get mad Bali Bali. Bali Bali money never come for your mother. So if you never get the money, your mother neither dead. Because me pass down a Jake's and see your mother shop open today. Bali Bali.
Look at but you're sick. She look hard but you're sick, Dana.
Bali Bali, I tell you no head boy. Mr. Mary tell you, but don't me tell you say you know nobody now bring down that program here. If me not bring it come, bring it down. I mean not thief nobody and nobody not me not say you a thief, you want money. If you get the money for fix. Then where the money they me not deeper money when me see me no hear no money. Bali Bali. I one bill me see come here so to me from morning because me turn up on my foot $6,000. You understand? I'm feel a weird because it's the only house where me no put me in and take away the money for you and can't go bill because to me know you're a builder. Me no hide it for you. Me say every day me preach to you. Me noon go and for you gone now when you get the money gone a country and left you. You know should that day even if you can't work Bali Bali. Say to me say auntie me back a hurt me. Get 2 man because you know say me can't work enough man to come work because you pay them. What me said to you last night?
Yeah, we are going to make man deal with it.
Me say, buy the material and what me say me I go do?
Make somebody deal with it.
Get somebody work for your house done.
Yeah.
Me send Mr. Mary for money. When Mr. Mary come back, see Mr. Mary there, right out the so can come, can hear me a calling name. Mr. Mary say, Miss Dana, the money where they what you say, Mr. Mary? Because I don't want to tell no lie for you. Talk what you say.
Only whether they can buy and fix
Alright. Him say me that go do it for you for free. He say never charge Bali. No, him a tell. Him not tell you, but him tell me last night that him want that. That's why me send him down there. Because I say Bali, then that country, and Mr. Mara, the only house that we not have finished up before me la. And I said, Danny, you know, say, I do it for him free. I say, go get the material. And when him come back, him say, Danny, a joke thing this. Bali, me feel how we am feel. You know why? Me tell people them say me that go take your money and go out. They say to me say, are you a deal with your house? You can. Don't me ask you that about 3 times when you hold up the money in your hand. Remember you hold and pay your money, you know. And if me go take it from you, go here say me thief it and me take on the money and go with it. Me bring you upon the life you have your second. I don't want to talk to nobody back. No, yeah, me know what kind of body coming at this stuff. Nobody back and no closed door and nothing for your ear. Say, me did I say this and me did I say that. Me not say you're not sick. My God, left the money. Come to me the other day. Auntie, me know say the last money only pipe use up and me not do no work. You say you buy door, then you say no door. Where you do them there?
What do you mean me buy door?
The little girl not say you not get no door because you carry them back.
I don't care about no door. Door in my house.
That's the door from the long time. I expect you to say, alright, auntie, I feel sick. Hold on upon that, even that 300,000 here, and me go to country, go cool out. As me don't know where you go in a country, because you have your yard can cool out. And buy up some material and make the house go run. Because I said to you, say, Bali, I don't want your house left off. Kwame house run. Kishana house done. City done almost done. Little Miss own done. Ratty them one done. I say, I want to open every house in a one. In a space of 2 weeks. And feel one of the only one left off. I mean, not see nothing. But you have to say to the people them.
You know, I just show me sick out, man. I'm going to tell you, me have to deal with some things. I'm really sorry about that.
I feel like somebody lit me in the head with a big stone.
I'm never sorry this out, man. I'm come here.
Bali, you get one whole house to build a country. I mean, see you bring that even 5 bags of cement pan for your house. I know say when you build them the house, because you can build house, a whole heap of money you charge. I mean, you say the house you don't a country that I work on. And left for you, after me there, you have to about my chest. Father God, I don't know where you get that idiot from your hey. I don't know where you get me from. Look on me, I not push out for the house for you know, for the nice little girl them where you grow up. And them come and see where they in a tat up. And I say to you, say, use your money. I go up on all marathon when you come back the $1,000. Remember, I didn't ask nobody for nothing for you, you know. And people are say, oh, Bali, come. It's like me, I say to myself, say, I don't fear beg house for you, and you work and you not buy house, buy black and something. And you come back the $1,000 the night, I send Tajay, and Tajay talk it, and I talk it out back, and I saw. I feel it, and I feel away. I put out my life on the life of people in Facebook and social media, class me for people. Some of the things that people say about me because I try to help people. I not thief nobody money. When you not done bill out, I not come back to you, I not sue you, I not know you. And for me, I put my leg on the line to help you. Eh? Every dollar we come in, I can give account fee. And the whole of money gone, I not see no bad, let me see the people. I never, that's why I make my head come like it a chip. For money, I don't want my head chip. I feel it to my bone. Because I say me that go over there. And you say, I feel your money them. You hold up the money them in your yard and I left you with the money them and I gone and I don't see nothing I do now. Everything the pan goes slow. Eh? People money in a Bali. People work hard. People through me, not even through you. Through me. Through me. No 5 people them send call them here. Me I say Bali, house not done. Through me. But sometimes I think I true uno. Through me. And me I tell you some I feel it. Because I don't know where you going to get money from to find money to finish up. Anyway, you say you're there country I work, I want to see that house that done Bali.
I deal with it, man. Just give me a little time, man. Just give me a little time.
I make sure I bring you up on the live, because I don't want that. Nothing back on the work.
Tell people that just give me a little time. I beg them just give me a little time, man.
That means a little time when me done and finish up the my house and month that come or next month that come. You know they pan it. Because Mr. Mary can't work without money. Without money for God, the electrical store go by. Me say, me ask a man from when me say me go for Mr. Mary, me can ask him. And me can't down there in a night when him come. I know. Me I tell you the truth, ball, me not collect no more money for your fee. Me not ask no donor for no money. And me not, hey, ball, I feel it to my bone. And little pick them and tell me, pay lie, one of them me I call them the choir. I say, where for? Come here. If you ask her, if you have a next number, she will her head straight because they know a pay lie, then tell me. Bali, you're the best man for you and you know that, you know.
I know that, you know, Dana. If you don't know that, Dana, but Dana, actually, Dana, to get with some of them things. I don't know how I go on to me, Dana. Nothing I reach me now, I'm not talking, I'm not
I'm not saying you're not sick, I might be not talk, but Bali, even if you're sick, you take out some. Yo, Dana, hold that money for me, Miss Dana, because you know what I use your money. For me use your money, me go borrow money, I mean I have to borrow money. Because me make my cake or my put me not play a fool. You know so me not use nobody money. So you could have come with it and left it the same as though me have it all long and wait for you. And put it down for me, Miss Dana. And see what you can do. I hold the money until me feel better. Alright, me take out a 150 out there, a 100 out there for help my mother. And me pick them hold this till certain time. I want to sit where me see I buy up or whenever I buy up, I buy up. I mean up my hold, me composure till when me see nothing now do me, so you now come back till 1 month time. Feel away. I don't say you don't have your tribulation, you don't have your problem and you're sick. I don't tell you to come ball it out in the social media. You understand? Kwame blind every time. But every time I go to Kwame and give me money and go back, I see something new. I see something the Kwame house done left fear and I feel that. I don't see Bali, later I can't. Bali, when you have 1 dozen daughter that not stay something can steal. Them can still eat food. Them can still get out tight and you still make me see something do to the house. Bali, you train on no
get better back and come and start.
So make you couldn't tell your yard to pick them and get better. So me alright, I make somebody India go and work.
Come to me told them. I never kept my tool. I end up getting sick. I'm just talking them to me to come back. So now I come to me go back like that.
All about it later. Bali, me not say nothing wrong. Me not have this big. Say me not this way about your sickness.
I never have a look at second. They say you never come with my follow me go feed. They say you never follow me. I don't know.
Me get too much bad name for people on that program here. Me no know none of them, me and none of them no related, me no family here. You understand? And the goodness of my heart, I take up the phone here. I'm a work. Phone. Everyone now no can't tell no lie for me in the phone. No can't tell no lie back on my back. That's why when people have beat up them mouth for me in the phone, me no pay that no mind. Because I know say no donor no recipient can't call me name. And you, me I said might be enough, because I should make you take your money and go near me and go drink it out where you want to do with it. I shouldn't force you to take it below nowhere. But to me see the situation with your children, them it hurt me. I said, John, nobody living there so with 5 girl pitney and so and grand pitney. You understand? Everybody I blame me. You're too enough. You love sorry for people too much. Bali sorry for himself. And you see it right back. You know where people them say me I'm to force you to build house? He might work for you much. Look how much big mansion in a month where Bali build and him not build up for your house. And you take it up on your head. Me no mean big house, no mansion, but nice house where you build your work. That they must say to me. Miss Dana, I bet you go look for somebody way down in a gully because Bali a build and him get work all the while. And you can't do build up him own house. He no need to pay nobody. That is why me love you and trust you to build your house, you know. And Kwame I no builder and him blind and him no let me down him house build. The most pretty.
I'm going to tell you this. But you know my daughter them tell me where you sir? Them not comfortable there, so I tell you.
They not for your father yard. What make them not comfortable there? I hear a yard and me come here come see you there, so.
More than them have to call me and tell me say them can't do them online class in a piece in a card. Them run this out of the radio. Them and them over the start making bagadas. When they come out and start.
Ball, me no business with you and get to business. Cause I hear some me come meet you. You know live on property. You know the whole of people them in the yard are your family. Shelly are your sister.
Donna, listen on. If you have a youth, I do online class and I tell you.
All you do, but for your daughter, them in a lane, about them, me have to go talk to them. Them out there so wide and a jukey jam. Them play music too, so might be for them same friend. Because everybody will live in your yard are your family. The whole of them will live in there, your family, brother, sister, auntie, cousin, uncle. And your family land, you live on, you not live on squatters. And all of who dance out there, because when you feel that, them Lego a jukey jam, and I do slide dance. Louder me, I do my life, and me have to go out there, go ball out. So nobody come use that because of this, so you me come see you, so your brother lives. The whole of the yard are your father land, and your sister, Sheva, your niece, and everybody lives there. So I don't want you. Bali, come on, me head that hurt me. Them I go tell you, say them in a nice and boy I make nice in a lane. When me dey on live, the boy them I make nice. Now laugh or play music. Me can't tell people them not play no music or not make nice. I get out. But me I said to you, listen, see Tajay live down there and he make nice and your nephew. Tajay, Bali, them I tell you, Tajay. Your cousin them said the young them see out in a yard with box of wine up.
But I will not handle class now,
Then the whole of them the same as when them inside them out there wine up and a jam too. The whole of them are be a family, una family.
I have so much time to call him.
Bali, me dey on the live, you know, me don't want you no foolishness, because that way you say to me about them.
You just say foolish, me.
Yeah, but if them alright, if the people them and make nice party, if people out there make nice, all them have to do is come out, turn down the music. At the same time with them cousin and brother and cousin out there wind up at evening time.
So the people them call me.
Then they know them out there too enough time I wind up with them. I fear door wide open. That's why you need to left country and come sit down up here with them. That's you as the see one of your daughter pass a go down there. The whole of them in a winding up business I go along up there. Look more ball. Me don't want to winding up business in my phone. Me gone. Me gone, yeah?
Yeah man.
Cause all of them are winding up cousin. Bloody Ball live in a own land. Him sister live there, him brother live there, niece live there, nephew live there, one family. So all of a sudden nice now, and that's why I don't want to finish up house and I'm in yard. I know me come here, see Ball live there, say you know. Yeah, more say no. All of a sudden picnic can make music. And them every day they picking them out there wind up. You move cause you and them a family and Bali a family and you wind up to your Bali about picnic so you know make nice. And the whole of you out there daytime a jukey jam.
You just partying, and just partying.
Sir, I don't want to talk to nobody, you know. I can know my brain can't take nobody talking in the media now. If I want to talk to that man, I say I can't take the chatting, you know. I know my head can't take no chatting. I a general. Because I tell you I can't take no talking, you know.
Yo, come here. Shoot. Got your line out, hold him in
How him fresh? How we Mr. Mary? Are the one that come here for the night? Are the same madman when they come here so when me dip on the live the night? We never know sir him. Remember the night when me out here saw the man come stand up? Are him Marcia? Him look different. The first night when me come here when he just come in, come stand up. And I feel him, yes.
Yeah, I am.
I never know sir him. I think I can look different in Havana act now.
Yeah, it should not want it. Not the black one, you know. Our next one when he come and him that.
When him come.
Him come one time.
Too much people just have punch up every minute, somebody from all boat just come here. So I say run here from here too.
I don't remember where him come from. I'm sticking at him. Not mental problem.
How can people may have cut the lie there, you know? Him nah, hey, you know, make Bali tell you about Bali have no problem. A Bali yard. Bali no make no squat at the Bali get film part of the land like how everybody. I'm Papa and I'm fatherland. So I don't know where Bali attack about but he no cover them because people say them in a house. But then they tell me something. But then they tell me something else. And people are make nice out of do and then can't do homework. Then if you know then can't do homework. And I like a 1 yard where him family, him brother live there, him cousin live there, him sister live there. I got people this I want to make my head Gigi na even. I'm not come back on the live. I'm going to cool out. I'm going to see what I'm going to be done. I'm going to see what I'm going to be done. Every minute, I need a big gate, iron gate, so every minute people just punch up and come sit down in here and wait for me. I try me just pass straight to the here, so. Every minute somebody just come up to me. Every minute. Thank people later, yeah? Later. Fresh. Bali saying come call you when people are make knife down there. Tell the people them say have one. Who live down a Bali? Any stranger from out there will live down there? The man said pan the life say when he pick them at the homework and be a music and play out the door. Who the Bali family live over in yard? No stranger no live over Bali from out the road. Be a family cousin. Jenny G, you know, say me brawling. And you're still in a... Look at what time now. 15 minutes past 6 o'clock in the evening. Last time I checked today Thursday. Last time I checked either if you're not work, or if you're at work, you come from work, or you're there somewhere, you left every page. Hundreds, something happened in Florida where if you watch and I pray for people them. Where you place collapse, so you left in a planka shop and watch me we brawling. Me entertaining to you more what go on in the world if you go take up and go pray for and left over here in a planka business. You never donate $1, make me and the donor them they pan here watch me. You never send dollar to me and your name no write up on nothing. So nothing what happen over here, you know, to be a part of it. Me and me planka them work it out and lift it out and lift it out and cry it out and talk it out. Your name no call pan no receipt over here. So I don't know where you left your wet up bed and come over here, you wet up lawn or you wet up bed or you wet up veranda or you wet up chair, come hold chair in here for. You no planka, you no donate nothing, so you no have nothing to say. You no have nothing to lose. Make me trash it out because me upset, make me upset. You left all bout and left come over here fast. You're too enough. You know see planka show run and planka video go on, you know take past it. Me and Dona no war. All I want to take up my name. Me and me Dona them over here. No problem, no war, no nothing. Always pass by what trespass come over here. Enough up. And a fast in a people business when no concern, no. Make the one them we donate to me and me have problem. And so far the whole of them a call me and tell me say no for pressure myself. So me no know where you left your wet up yard from fine yard problem. You know, see most of them in your door now where you come from. And who not depend here yet they work and look for come home tonight, come watch your dead live. Left over here and give space to watch. Make me planka them get front seat. Because the whole of you here tie up all bout in here. Yes, you can go whole platform. Because none of you never donate. We don't want to hear no opinion over here. We don't need you over here. You don't have a bag of say you never donate. I never write up receipt in none of your name. You never hear me call out none of your name over here. Create? Tajay just take it up. What there now? What make your boy your ears? And your boy picnic. I want to know what make your little picnic. Your mother make your boy your ears. Yeah, how much? I have in your thing. Take it out, can go give your mother. Anyway, planka people left their wet up bed where rain and fall and rainy season now. And rain and wet up some of them and then over here far for them go look cardboard and plastic spread for them bed. Anyway, planka people, bless upon yourself later.